Hey, it's Ms.Moni Hart with another video. And today, you see it, you see the hair. Okay, so yesterday, woo, it's a big old deer right there. Woo, just caught me. OMG, it's a big old deer. Okay, so, it's a lot of them back there. Oh, wow. Oh, woo, it's four. Yeah, that's four of them. Let me hurry and get my butt on out of here. Okay, so yesterday, if you saw the video with me doing the fish fry and frying the fish, you saw that I had four jumbo braids and they were doing what they supposed to do. A healthy little style. Okay, so this is what happened after I oiled them and took the braids out and put a cute little headband on. But anyway, let me tell you, I was watching this show and it is so good. It's on BritBox and it's called Money for Nothing. Money for Nothing is a show. I made it to the second season, but the show is like what happened with my hair. A lady goes to the recycle center in the UK, and at the recycle center, she looks in people's vehicles and see what they're about to throw away. And the things that they throw away, she asks could she have them. And then she asks for their information. So whatever she turns their item into, she would like to come back and share it with them. Well, show it to them what she did or what whoever did with the item. And then if she sells it, then the profit, the person, whoever item it was, they receive the profit. So it could be a wooden chairs. And she took them to a really, really great furniture guy by the name of Jay Blaze. Jay Blaze took those wooden chairs and everything that he gets, he creates greatness. It was only one thing that I seen on one show that didn't sell for him. And that was because he usually works with wood and that item was metal. But I thought that they were beautiful. But anyway, so Money for Nothing. So she'll take your chair. Okay, so it was two chairs, wooden chairs. She took them to Jay Blaze. Jay Blaze painted, will sand them, cleaned them all up, sand them, everything. Painted them. When I tell you they were beautiful. So just imagine you give away something and then a few weeks later, the person comes and knocks on your door and shows you on her tablet your item and it's beautiful. And then she says, okay, I took him to this person. She tells you where she took it and who the designer is, and if it's sold. And then if it sells, then she'll go in her back pocket and she'll pull out the money and give them the money and say, this is how much of profit was left over. One item, in one show, both items made the person received $500 back in profit. And I was like, wow, I'm so into it. So it's like you're taking something and making it new again. What one guy said, he was like, my rubbish is another person's treasure. And I thought that that was so cute because, you know, like in the US, we say somebody's trash is another person's treasure. So he hit the rubbish. So it was cute. I like that for him. But it was a really, really good show. If you get a chance and that's something that you're into, like finding things and making them better, changing them, this is a great show to watch. I even seen where I would love to do reupholster furniture and stuff. And when I seen them doing couches and chairs and everything, she was making, the lady even made pillows. She had got some fabric, well, they were curtains from the 50s. She turned them into pillows. Got over $180 in profit. I was like, wow, 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 wow. But I want to make some pillows. so stay tuned because Ms.Moni Hart is going to make some pillows. But like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's Ms.Moni Hart. And this is my opinion about money for nothing and my cute 4 braids that turned into this wavy creation. Oh, it looks so cute.